Hi boys and girls, are you ready to learn how we're going to write our very first letter and sound that we learned? It's the letter T. And when we write the letter T, we have to know which lines the letter T are written on. And before we do any writing with a pencil, we're going to practice writing by doing our skywriting. Do you remember how we learned about skywriting yesterday? Let's just quickly review that because you need to listen to the directions. This is the skyline. We know it's a skyline because we see the sun and the clouds. Now take a look here. Do you see the plane? Do you remember what that line is called? If you said plane line, you're right. Good job. And this line, take a look. Do you see the grass? If you said grass line, you're right about that. And how about this line? See the worm? We call this line the worm line. Now today we learned about the letter T. T, top, T. And this is what a lowercase t looks like. Before we're going to practice writing on our dry erase boards, we want to do our skywriting. So let's review that. We're going to start by shake, shake, shake your silly, shake, shake, shake your silly, shake, shake, shake your sillies. I'm ready to write. And we're going to begin by saying pencil arms. So our arms go out straight in front of us, and we're going to use the arm that we would pick up a pencil with. I'm right-handed, so this is my right hand that's out. I'm going to make sure my pointer and my tall man fingers are sticking straight out, and my arm is straight. Now, the lowercase t is a skyline letter, so everyone has to point to the skyline. Now listen carefully as I tell us what we need to do with our arms. So we're pointing to the skyline, pull down to the grass line. If you're writing, you'd actually pick up your pencil now, and so I'm going to pull my arm back. The next step is to point to the plane line and slide across. That's the lowercase t. Let's try it again. Everybody, pencil arms, point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, pull back, slide across the plane line. And we are going to say when we're all done writing it, or skywriting it, we're going to say T, top, T, one more time. Now you can also trace with your finger. Once you've written it, you can trace over it. Start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line. And then you're going to slide across the plane line. And of course, every time we finish, we want to review the letters name, sound, and key word. So we're going to say T, top, T. Good job, boys and girls.